Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey Contino here, and can you believe it? It is officially Memorial Day weekend. It definitely doesn't feel like Memorial Day weekend. Currently it is 52 degrees, and yes, I'm wearing a jacket, a sweater, and jeans. Something that I didn't want to do for Memorial Day, but hey, all I can say is at least it is not raining. That being said, this is the weekend we've all been waiting for. All winter long, we've been waiting for the days to get back to the beach, to go on the rides, to get that funnel cake, maybe Sam's or Mac's Pizza. I don't judge. And so it's here. It's now Memorial Day weekend. I figured let's film a recap the entire weekend to share with you what you may have either missed or what you were a part of. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. A special thank you out to my patrons and my sponsors. If you want to support this channel and have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below. Anyway, let's get started because, well, this is beautiful. This video is sponsored by Brian Cover at State Farm, proudly serving Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Delaware, Maryland, and New York. With a dedicated team of 15 professionals, Brian is here to keep you protected.
Contact Brian Cover for an auto quote today.
At Burn Plaza for the farmers market, and man, it is packed. You got a lot of places over here and across the street. Hi, how are you? And a lot of places across this way as well. And I mean, there's a lot of people here, a lot of awesome things to check out. And we got some cool fire trucks. I have one over here and across the street. I like this one, man. That is cool. I like that one a lot. Downside is that because of the wind, that's why I actually don't have a microphone on so you can hear it. They don't have the really big ones up right now. They said maybe later they're gonna come back, but I still like those crabs. Those crabs are really cool. Officially on the beach. Here's the new beach bar here at 22nd Street. Not open, but even for a windy day, man, there's still a lot of people out here. It's nice to see it officially packed. It's the first weekend we're seeing it like this. sorry to interrupt the video, but look at these new plush animals. Yeah, curly fries, and you got, and it's just more of a, it's like a shake. Oh, it squeaks. So it is a squeaky shake up.
So is this one.
And that one squeaks too?
Yeah.
I want these just for me to play with. Forget the dogs. I like this. Yeah, it looks like we're going to have to do a tour of the merchandise again this year because some of the stuff they have is so adorable. I'm going to lose a lot of money this year. And we got 2 new seagulls this year. Right? I like her flower crown and his hat. Really neat.
Yeah.
There you go. That was Memorial Day weekend 2025. I got to tell you, I do wish it was a little bit warmer. I think this was the first time, minusing out the rain years, that I did not actually go to the beach fully. I mean, I did go, I went in sweatpants because it was really, even in the day, because of the wind, like Friday and Saturday, it was still only like 67 degrees. It's still a beach day. If it wasn't windy, I think that I would have went in my bathing suit. But anyway, I hope that you had a great time and you made some beautiful memories with your families because, hey, at the end of the day, that's what the Wildwoods are all about. And if you didn't come down, hopefully you are making plans to come down this summer. It is going to be a fun summer. You know, leave your troubles in the city, come on down, bring a beach chair and just hang out for the day because, I mean, Mother Nature, this is ours to enjoy, and hopefully you're coming down to enjoy it as well. That being said, I want to thank you for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm Joey, and as always, I'll see you on the beach, which I'm going to enjoy this for a little bit here. Put the drone up, you know, the seagull footage. Oh, I can see the pinks coming over the clouds. That's going to be a beautiful sunrise. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Always a winner and always a prize. That's right, guys. Who's up? Who's next? Who's ready? We've got a winner every game. We've got a prize every single time. Always a winner and always a prize. That's right, guys. Who's up? Who's next? Who's ready to play? Who's got